This is the LG 300 watts soundbar. I brought it on Boxing Day from Best Buy. It was $200 on sale, good price. And I'll show you how to set it up. So this is the subwoofer. It automatically connects to the soundbar. The soundbar is right here. Right here. And I'll show you how to set it up. So what you do is, first you connect, you look at the back of the cord. What I did, I have, I can show you, it's not so clear, but I'll try to show you somehow. So you can see the back of the soundbar. So I have this audio jack which I have connected through the cables, the audio video cables, and it goes right into here, and the optical cable is right here. So the other end of the optical cable is going right behind the TV. Then I'll show you, it's at the back, that I have the port here. That's where it's going. And the other cable is going here. So I can run two things at the same time. I can run my DVD player and I can run my cable channels at the same time, just by changing the channels, so I don't have to worry too much. So I'll show you how it works. I'll show you the difference. You put on the TV, and put on the TV, and here we have Netflix. So Netflix, I'll put on something for you to see, and in the meantime I'll change the input to show you some other channels. Okay, it's going to come time. Let's go back to the same input again. By the time it gets on, there we go. So look at the difference in sound.
Got that, boys. Looks like high school sushi for breakfast.
Look at the difference. This is the normal TV sound. This is the normal TV sound, and when I change it to optical one, now look at the difference.
No, sir.
Now look at the difference.
See the line? Look at the line.
This is the stereo sound. This is the stereo sound.
Now, son, you're going to grow up and be like your dad.
And this is the TV sound.
You got to learn how to fight. Okay, let me show you something.
This is the stereo sound again.
You see this, Mark?
You and me are the same.
I put my
When you're bigger,
gas
you want to go
there.
out flying just like your daddy.
Now let me see you fight. Ready? No allocate, no dancing. You just amuse yourself, don't you? You're a strange kid. You're a strange one. Oh, come on, let's try it again. Oh, allocate.
Let's change the input to show you the difference.
Stop going.
It's so disappointing when they don't grow up the way you want them to.
And some local channels. This is where we watch Indian channels with the optical one. This is the problem with the
अभी फ्रेम टूटा है, उसको ठीक करने के बजाय ऐसे रहने दो ये सोच के कि कुछ
This is the difference. Now let me just put the TV on to show you the difference between both the sounds. This is the TV sound. And this is the soundbar sound.